Hey, Hannah, what do you think?
Good.
You like this?
I want to play.
No, go play basketball.
Good.
I want to see you playing basketball. You gotta go get it. Well, quit being such a girl and get it. It's right there. It's a basketball. Go get it. When did you get so prissy? Hannah, you're cheating. Stand back here, little cheater.